Morning. Skiving off work today. Well, I say skiving off work. I'm actually going to the Motorsport Days live, Silverstone. Go see how other people do it, see what other cars are out there, have a look at the championships for next year. Just taking the dog for a walk first, taking the adorable little Poppy out for a wander. Jump in the car, it's only about half an hour from here. We're going to go and see what's going on. Just arrived here at Silverstone. We're in the paddock, and here on a bit of a fact-finding mission today. Speak to some other companies, find out a little bit about how they do things, see what other people offer, see what we can offer, just sort of try and improve the service we can provide. That's why I'm in disguise today, but don't be fooled, because under here is Daniel's Grace. Some seriously cool stuff here today. You name it, it's probably here. So we've got some drift cars down there. Elemental. You or me? For me, look at that. Martini livery never fails to look good, doesn't matter what it's on. Okay, this is on a Porsche, of course it's going to look good, but always looks amazing. Particularly good on an XR2i, wouldn't you say? Just been chatting with these guys, they might be really helpful actually. It's a new system for finding people who want to get into motorsport, putting them in placements with people like us, so watch this space. Super clean, bloody love that, look at that. Stunning. Love that, that's cracking. So that's really interesting actually, not quite the super sleuthing I was expecting. There wasn't really anyone like us there, which is almost the most interesting thing actually. There's not many people there doing arrive and drives, taking people all the way through the whole package. There's a lot of parts suppliers, but actually some good recruiters there looking at motorsport jobs. And also looking at trade space. So a show like this might work really well for us, talking to a few people there. That's what they're looking for. So yeah, met a really nice guy from Autosport, the chap who actually started it all originally, and he seems to want to invite me to go and have a cup of coffee and some cake with him at Autosport International. He's told me to come find the office and have a sit down. He wants to help us push what we're doing a bit, so if that comes good, then the whole trip's worth it. So, gonna head off, back to work, lots to do. All right, take care.